4.5 billion years ago, Earth was born, and it was dry, burning, lifeless, a ball of molten rock with no oceans, no rivers, no rain. So here's the question that has haunted scientists for decades. If Earth started dry, where did all this water come from? The answer isn't just a scientific mystery. It's one of the strangest love stories the universe has ever told. In the beginning, young Earth was alone in the dark. No blue, no life. Just fire, rock, and silence, spinning endlessly around the sun. For millions of years it waited, cooling, hardening, becoming something, but still missing the one thing that would one day let it hold life. It was missing water, and somewhere out in the freezing edges of the solar system, water was waiting too. Billions of miles away in the icy darkness beyond Jupiter, comets drifted silently, frozen travelers made of ancient ice, carrying water older than Earth itself. Then something happened, a cosmic pull, a gravitational dance, and these icy wanderers began falling inward toward the sun, toward a lonely, burning planet that didn't yet know what it needed. Scientists call this era the Late Heavy Bombardment, a violent period where comets and asteroids crashed into Earth by the thousands. It sounds like destruction, but what if it was actually a beginning? Trapped inside every comet, every icy asteroid, was frozen water, some of it older than the sun itself. As these travelers collided with Earth, their ice melted under the heat, and slowly, drop by drop, impact by impact, something extraordinary began to happen. Steam rose, clouds formed, and for the first time, rain fell on a planet that had never felt it before. It was an instant. It wasn't a single moment. It took millions of years, a slow, patient courtship between a burning planet and the ice that traveled across the solar system just to reach it. But here's where the story gets even stranger. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission caught up with Comet 67P and tested its water. The results stunned scientists. The water on that comet didn't fully match the water in Earth's oceans. So if comets weren't the only source, where else did our water come from? Some scientists now believe part of the answer was hiding in plain sight all along, inside Earth itself, trapped in rocks, deep underground, since the very day our planet was formed, waiting for billions of years to rise to the surface. So maybe it wasn't just one great love story, maybe it was two. Water that fell from the sky, carried by travelers from the edge of the solar system, and water that rose from within, hidden in Earth's own heart, waiting to be set free. Together they filled the oceans, they shaped continents, they gave birth to the very first forms of life. And 4.5 billion years later, that same water is still here, in our rivers, in our rain, in every living cell inside your body. So the next time it rains, remember, you're not just looking at water. You're looking at a love story, billions of years in the making. If this story moved you, subscribe, because the universe has so many more like it.